So my dear friend of now 41 years, Puneet, he is the one. He says, "Why don't you look at Dubai? We have a beautiful resort there, and that's the best property that Taj Group of Hotels has anywhere in the world, and it's the newest property that we have. So you should do it there." So we just listened to my dear friend Puneet,
and here we are.
انت معلم واحنا منك نتعلم. انت معلم واحنا منك نتعلم.
Heaven! Getting my best friend married, it's very surreal. Still cannot believe it's happening.
We
at the Radar wedding.
Yes, in Dubai.
I'm here for my big brother's wedding. It's been a great experience. It's the first time I've done all this. It's very exciting.
So I've been describing it for years, that real joy, the day she was born, it's a feeling like no other. People are happy, they enjoy, they do everything, but the real joy that you feel is when you have a child. I'm sure that it's physically for mother, because it's a child is born out of mother, that's natural. But as a father, I can say that that was the first feeling of real joy ever in my life, the day Rachita was born.
And finally, when we saw her, it was an absolute, I mean, it's a different experience. You can't explain it. You have to experience it. The birth of a child, I mean, and Sanjeev was right there. As soon as she was born, like, you know, then the doctor gave him to hold her, and it was so nice.
The excitement is definitely there, and you know, it's how would you say, one of the greatest things for us.
Feels great. It was 8 years in the making.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're very excited to finally be here and celebrating two wonderful souls.
Obviously, we've been counting the days since almost a year now. Shadi ho rahi hai, and the day is almost here. Very happy and very excited.
A very peaceful child who listened to everything
Yeah.
and did as we told him. Yes.
But before he was known as Darren Don't.
We used to call him Darren Don't when he
Because
was
we-
small
you
because he
know.
would touch everything. around.
And then we taught him to use the things, and he was very good at it. And yeah, in a confident person, which is showing now, which is very good too.
She was I think, absolutely a wonderful child. She didn't trouble anybody. I think she was 2 months old and she used to sleep through the night. She never woke up. She was a very highly contented baby, I would say, and always ready to please others with her lovely smile. She never troubled me or troubled us for even her food, for anything.
She's been a dream child.
Yeah, absolutely.
What a parent can expect. Right from childhood till today, she would meet in the morning with a smile every time.
ये रूहदारियां तुझी से जुड़ी है मेरी, ये दावेदारियां मुझी पे लिखी है तेरी। रिहाना के तो जैसा तू फिगर रखती, ये फुलन के जैसा तू जिगर रखती, फुल के जग सारा है निगाहें तकती, ते बीबा नचदी, ते बीबा नचदी, रोके ना रुकदी, ते बीबा नचदी। हो मैं रातां सारियां गुजारूं असल में तेरी, मैं छड्ड दुनिया ते रहना नज़र में तेरी। मैं मुंडा सीधा सादा ते हैगी कुड़ी तू जट दी, तू आवें ते चोरी चोरी कोलों तकदी, निशाने मारे तू बुलट अख दी, ते बीबा नचदी, ते बीबा नचदी, रोके ना रुकदी, ते बीबा नचदी, ते बीबा नचदी।
For us, it's like their anniversary, their birthdays. We're just waiting for Darren to message us saying that, guys, this is what I'm planning for Rachita. Keep it a secret. I mean, Sachi and I have been a part of so many dances at this point. Rachita's birthdays, we've done a retro-themed dance. I mean, at this point, I cannot even remember why we agreed to this. But we have done hair, makeup, outfits and done this dance on Bar Bar Ye Din Gaye. And that has been aired in front of everyone, and that was just so embarrassing for us.
We can talk after the Sangeet. What if I don't do a good job and then they just don't want to see my face ever again? How about that? I think I'm worried about that. Very honestly, we should talk about it after that.
Dance, dance, everybody, getting hot in the party. Come on, start feeling. Dance, dance, everybody.
भंगड़े दी queen मैं ता थोड़ी सो हसीन मैं ता मेरी है गजब गलबा, फिगर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट, मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ। भंगड़े दी queen मैं ता थोड़ी सो हसीन मैं ता मेरी है गजब गलबा, फिगर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट, मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ।
नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे, नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियों वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार। नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे,
स्पीकरां दा साउंड ते हिलदा ग्राउंड मैं छम छम नचदी फिरां अख मेरी टाइट चावा मैं लेफ्ट राइट ये मुंडिया तो बचदी फिरां
मुंडा होगा वो तो लकी जिसके लिए तूने रखी अपने ये आंखों की शराब दिल मेरा ठीक है इश्क च वीक है कर दे तू इसको खराब
नचांगे सारी रात सोए वे नचांगे सारी रात सोए वे करो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोए वे करो थोड़ा सा प्यार
Dance, dance, everybody, getting hot in the party. Come on, start feeling. Dance, dance, everybody. Dance, dance, everybody, getting hot in the party. Come on, start feeling. Dance, dance, everybody. पूरी ये तूफान, अब दे दे मुझे लाइन. मैं तेरे नाल जचदा बड़ा. बचदा है बैंड, तू दे दे मुझे हैंड. जोर दे मैं कब से खड़ा.
नचांगे सारी रात सोए वे नचांगे सारी रात सोए वे करो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोए वे करो थोड़ा सा प्यार
We've seen the evolution happen.
We have.
And we've actually seen them grow just as, even as people, yeah.
We have.
Darren, we've seen Darren grow as...
With short hair and long hair.
Oh yeah. No, and Darren was this guy who absolutely loved partying and loved life, etc. Not that he doesn't now. He absolutely does.
But he stopped drinking in the middle.
But in the middle, for a while, there was a phase that, you know, he calmed down a lot and he got... And I think he got his priorities right. It was Rachita that got him his priorities right. And yeah, today they are the people that they are.
Yes, of course. I think everyone's excited. Everyone has been waiting for this day. Everyone's just ready to party.
लम्मे लम्मे सिल्की जे वाल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी जिदी कमर ते टैटू है कमाल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी जिदे लम्मे लम्मे सिल्की जे वाल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी जिदी कमर ते टैटू है कमाल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी
तेरे उत्ते आया मेरा की कसूर लब तेरे नाल पाया मेरा की कसूर
साडे बारे दस तेरा की ख्याल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी लख दा ए नखरा है तेरा नी स्वैग सारी दुनिया तो वखरा है तेरा रे करके है क्लब च बवाल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी ओ जिदे लम्मे लम्मे सिल्की जे वाल ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी
I had a feeling because, you know, they used to meet and because she was studying in Pune, they were studying in Pune, but I had a feeling. I kept asking her, you're dating someone? She said, no. She would keep saying no.
She gave me her laptop to, I think there was something wrong. And I saw a picture of both of them. But I didn't tell anyone at that time because it's not fair, it's not right, because we trust her. So whenever she's ready, she would tell us.
Some restaurant we went to, and all
Yeah, I think
the
we-
same gang of friends were there who studied with him. And
we
yeah.
noticed a little closeness towards Rachita, and we guessed as much.
So we were in the room, Ratko, and she says, "Mom, I have to tell you something." And then she told me about Darren. And then first, though, we both cried. I fought with her. Why didn't you tell me earlier and all? But of course, I mean, we just loved her and loved Darren, and it was absolutely amazing. And it was tears of joy, of course, because I always told her that I want to be the first one to know. And then the moment Sanjeev came, we always, I mean, I'm sure he also had a kind of a feeling, but yeah, it's always better to hear it. She says, "No, I didn't tell you earlier because you're still not so sure, how it is when they were dating and all."
मन के सर महके रेशम लागे रे दिल चंपई बांधे सिंदूरी से धागे रे सुनो कनमनी शहनाई सी बाजे रे सावली तेरी आँख में बांधनी से ख्वाब रे खनक गई हंसी तेरी कनक धरा हुई अभी नीला पवन मुखम तेरी नद सदा गणम अवड़ पूरी
we started in college. Siddesh introduced me to Rachita. Siddesh is the one who told me a great story about Rachita, about how she partied really hard the night before, and I hadn't gone to that party, so I missed out on that. And he told me this great story, and I was really enamored by it. And like a movie, she walked down the mess aisle as soon as he finished telling it and was like, oh look, here's Rachita. And I remember just looking at her and laughing and just thinking, what a cool person.
हथाते मेहंदी लाके मथे ते बिंदी पाके बैठी मेरा तो सखियानी वदन लानी होवे जग बालन सारा सखियानी वदन लानी पाँव शतना दी
दे कम्मा वाला पाया सजन जोड़ा हत्था ते मेहंदी लाके मथे ते बिंदी पाके हुए दे ओले सजना सजन आओनी बदन लाओनी होवे जग पालन सारा सजन
I remember we started talking like just before our summer break in college. So in the first year, so I'd gone on vacation with my parents and sister, and there was no WhatsApp call that time. We used to do Skype calls. I was talking to a boy, so like people didn't know, like I didn't want to tell my family about it. Even though we weren't dating at that time, still it was like I was shy, so to say. So I used to like, when we used to have like, you know, bachpan mein connecting rooms with your parents. So then I didn't want people to hear it. So I used to go out in the hotel ka hallway and talk to him at that time as if there was some secret conversation happening. And it was just like really normal conversations.
डांग खिलाड़ी करे रंग रलिया देखो कलर लगाए करे गंदी बत्तियां डिंग डिंग डांग खिलाड़ी करे रंग रलिया मोह कलर लगाए करे गंदी बत्तियां
Even in college, we'd have this small little nook that we'd go to. Everyone, all of us, we used to sit after class just all the way into the evening. And everyone would go back, but Rachita was always there because we were at the hostel, and both of us just used to enjoy our time together till she had to go up, you know, at 10:30 curfew, and then I guess I'd be a little sad about that.
I think talking to him was just easy. Like he just got me since day one, and I think even with him, I feel like he always opened up to me.
सुनियो रे ओ जनिया शाम को खिड़की से चोरी चोरी नंगे पाँव चाँद आएगा ओ
शतम मंगलम.
So two friends of ours, Sachit and Kabir, share the same birthday, which is 10th January. And we were out with them, and we were at Sachit's house after that, and then in the night we were just talking that night, and then we were like, okay, maybe we should give it a try, like, you know, what's the harm? Both of us were single or whatever.
We were driving to Tiger Point in Lonavala, and it was night, you know, we were both in the back seat, our friend was driving. I had incidentally put my head on her lap and we were just listening to music, and then I asked her to come in and I just told her I love her. I remember that very, very vividly.
So I think that night he said it first, and I think I just responded because it was such a natural feeling, like, you know, I didn't have to think about it or any of it. It was just what we felt to each other.
तेरे बिना ना तेरे बिना लागे नहीं मन तेरे बिना तू ही मेरा बस तू ही मेरा कहने लगा दिल बेजुबान इन हवाओं के परों पे लिख दिया मैंने चांद तारों के घरों पे लिख दिया मैंने साथिया ओ रे साथिया बिन तेरे जीना बेवजह साथिया ओ रे साथिया बिन तेरे रूठी हर दुआ तू जो मिला तो ठहरे से लम्हे जैसे ठुमक के चलने लगे जैसे किसी ने जादूगरी से इन खुशबुओं में है रंग भरे जाने कहाँ से जाने कहाँ छुप के उठा है एक धुआं कुछ तो हुआ है कुछ तो हुआ दिल ने कहा दिल ने सुना आते जाते रास्तों से कह दिया मैंने आधी पूरी ख्वाहिशों से कह दिया मैंने साथिया ओ रे साथिया बिन तेरे जीना बेवजह साथिया ओ रे साथिया बिन तेरे रूठी हर दुआ साथिया ओ रे साथिया बिन तेरे जीना बेवजह साथिया ओ रे साथिया बिन तेरे रूठी हर दुआ साथिया ओ रे साथिया
Till then, you negotiate.
Fine,
Not till
okay.
then, you negotiate.
We'll start the bidding.
That's very important. I want a hug.
You want a hug?
Yeah.
Are.
I want a room at your house.
Okay. Okay, so hug, room in the house.
Apartment next to your apartment.
You want a
Apartment. Because Kriti has invested so much time in our relationship, so then she gets returned on it.
That's fancy.
Read it.
Shoes or no shoes, I'm always working on your side. I couldn't have had a better person than you as my sister-in-law. Can I give now the photos will come?
Oh, they give you.
Are.
What about mine?
Wait, we're not done. I've called my lawyer here, by the way. Straight from JSA. He's on retainer. Please.
Rachita, you have been served on behalf of Mr. Darren De Silva. This forever agreement is made and entered into on this 5th day of October by and between Rachita Kapoor, an angel sent from heaven above, hereinafter referred to as Ketchup, and Darren De Silva, simply the luckiest man on earth, hereinafter referred to as Mustard. Ketchup and mustard are individually referred to as the condiment and collectively as the condiments. The condiments now seek to be bound to each other in perpetuity on the following conditions. The covenants. Mustard promises to forever hold, nurture and care for Ketchup, no questions asked. Love Ketchup as much as she loves Chai, Chinese and all the episodes of Grey's, Gilmore Girls and JTV put together. Always blame any hair fall on himself. Because what else is he growing his hair out for? Laugh at every single joke she cracks. Always take Instagram-worthy photos of Ketchup and never post an unapproved picture. Build a family of tiny minions to do their bidding. Fulfill all of Ketchup's dreams, desires and wishes, no matter the size. Always share snacks. Ketchup shall perpetually return the right to first refusal over the last bite. Not watch the next episode without you and popcorn. Grow old together. Lastly, Mustard promises that our love will never have an expiration date. The condiments agree and acknowledge to forever be each other's lobsters. In witness whereof the parties here to have executed this forever agreement as of the day and year first herein above written. I now request you to please sign.
She's a beautiful person, both inner and outer beauty.
Yeah, I think Rachita, the moment, when we knew that it was serious, we saw at home in one of the parties that we had, and the kind of person that came out, her smile, her eyes, it's a natural beauty, and that's what we immediately took to.
He's such a gem of a person, and the thing is that he also is like a completely family person. Like, all of us, he cares for each member of our family, so that's so important. And same with Rachita, if someone is, something's wrong in somebody in his family, she'll be there with him and he's there with her. So I think that's what they are really made for each other.
तेरे पाँव के तले
पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। एवरीबॉडी मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, दिलबरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, दिलबरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, दिलबरो।
Don't lie, I know you've been thinking it, and 2 times you let it slip from your lips. You got too much pride to make any promises, thinking that we got time and you wanna keep it in. I want you out in the pouring rain, I want you down on your knees, praying to God that I feel the same. I'm right here baby, so please hold me up, tie me down, 'cause I never wanna leave your side. I swear to never let you down, and it's been keeping me alive. You can take me home, you can never let me go. Hold me up, and tie me down, down, and tie me down, down, and tie me down, until you fall at my feet. Don't hide, you're wasting your energy. You're not shy, so baby it's useless. So don't try, 'cause you'll end up losing it. I want you out in the pouring rain, I want you down on your knees, praying to God that I feel the same. I'm right here baby, so please hold me up, tie me down, 'cause I never wanna leave your side. I swear to never let you down, and it's been keeping me alive. You can take me home, you can never let me go. Hold me up, and tie me down, and tie me down, and tie me So wrap your arms around my chest, and I'll put my hands around your neck.
And obviously staying with both of them in Pune was like, you know, that's when I saw, I was like, yeah, this is how it's going to be when they'll be married. They'll be cooking, they'll be doing these things together. And I think they're the most beautiful couple I've ever come across. So lovable. And you know, you see those couples where you feel like, I don't think this couple can ever fight. This is them.
Very honestly, it's been so long that I have so many recent memories and understanding their journey of how it started, because they just hit it off. And Darren is not only an easy person to be with, he's the most loving soul you will meet. I mean, I know I've said that about Rachi, but I'm just so glad Darren's the person my best friend's marrying, and I've told him that, and he was always a part of the family.
दिल वाली गल कर ले, प्यार मेरे नाल कर ले, काम सारे गल कर ले मेरे यार। कितना सोना लगदा है तू लगदी हूँ मैं तेरी मेरी जोड़ी, जुड़े लगदे कितना सोना लगदा है तू, लगदी हूँ मैं तेरी मेरी जोड़ी, जुड़े लगदे कितना सोना लगदा है।
पे करो रुक ये मुखड़ा मैं तो दीवाना तेरा दुनिया से आजा कह दूं देख देख तेनू अख नहीं थकदा तेरे जैसा कोई मैनू नहीं जचदा दिल मेरा चाहे तुझे कहने को I love you कितना सोना लगदा है तू लगदी हूँ मैं तेरी मेरी जोड़ी थोड़े लग दे The drop Break रब ने बनाई जोड़ी जाए ना तोरी तेरी मैं हूँ मेरा बस तू दिल दा ठिकाना तू है चैन का बहाना तू है तू ही है जिसे मैं चाहूँ कितना सोना लगदी है तू कितना सोना लगदा हूँ मैं तेरी मेरी जोड़ी थोड़े लग दे कितना सोना लगदा है तू लगदी हूँ मैं तेरी मेरी जोड़ी थोड़े लग दे
I mean, everyone close to them knew that they were not just friends. We knew before they knew that they were going to get married. This day was supposed to come.
It's honestly very inspirational. It's very good to have such a lovely example of love. Like, I've never seen anyone this excited to have such a big other circle of love.
Saru
the journey has actually been, it's been a lot of growth, because we've seen each other from first year of college, moving towards our first jobs, then growing in our jobs together, all these different phases that have happened. So that it's all about growing together. What I really love and appreciate about Rachita is that there's always openness to communicate, to solve things together, and it's because of that we're so close and we gel so well. Where I always tell her that we're on the same wavelength always, and I can't even remember times when there are friction ever, because that openness and communication exists, that willingness to compromise exists from both sides. So it's just been the smoothest, most beautiful journey I could have ever hoped for.
Hello dear, you've been pulling me closer. Let's write about you and me. I'll sing to you a lullaby. Let's make a story of our own. We walk everywhere hand in hand, walking this path of life, like life's been leading us. Together we walk this road.
I'm a very filmy Bollywood person at heart. I remember when I was a kid, I always wanted a white wedding, and now I'm getting one after this. So I don't know, it just works out, I guess.
Father, I said till death do us part, I want to mean it with all of my heart. Help me to love you more than I love her, then I know I can love her more than anyone else, and bring her in your presence today. Make her what you want her to be. I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you more. I pray to cherish and serve her, and will bring you glory today. I pray
my side, it would be love and understand each other.
God bless them both.
Live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, and don't have any regrets in life, and do whatever to the best of your ability. You know, don't think, you know, what the other person is going to think, but as long as you know you're doing the right thing, I think that's very important.
From one part of the pod to the other two, have a happy married life. Always know I'm right there, and if I'm not, just call me, I'll come over, stay. If you're missing me too much, if you need someone to irritate you, you need to be the kebab mein haddi, I'm there.
Take time for yourself and enjoy life and have fun. And we don't need to teach them, do this, don't do that, because they are much better than much better than us. So I would say that in all that, don't forget to have lots and lots and lots of fun.
Wish you both love, joy and happiness. And the blessings of the only Almighty who can take care of you all. So have faith in God and in each other.
Congratulations, Rachi and Darren. I wish you all the best and wish you happiness and love and joy for the rest of your lives.
जब तेरे आस पास रहता हूँ मैं, दिन अच्छे जाते हैं, थपकियाँ देती है जब बातें तेरी, नींद अच्छी आती है मेरे हर दुख की दवा। तू मैं दूर तुझसे रहा क्यों, मेरा ही मुझको पता है, तेरा क्या है तू ही बता दे, मैं जानू ना के तेरा तोहफा हूँ मैं या सजा हूँ, क्या ही कहूँ क्यों उलझा हूँ, तेरा तोहफा हूँ मैं या सजा हूँ, क्या ही कहूँ क्यों उलझा हूँ। सिलसिले इनके सिले आगे हो क्या, हम जाने ना फिर भी जवाब ढूंढे तो क्यों, तू मुझसे मिले हंस के मिले हंस के विदा, इसके सिवा हम कोई ख्वाब ढूंढे तो क्यों, कल क्या हो किसको पता, यूं बैठे सोचे बेवजह, होना है जैसा भी होगा तो वैसा ही, फिर भी कभी सोचता हूँ मैं के तेरा तोहफा हूँ मैं या सजा हूँ, क्या ही कहूँ क्यों उलझा हूँ, तेरा तोहफा हूँ मैं या सजा हूँ, क्या ही कहूँ क्यों उलझा हूँ।
हाजी भाई मेरी तरफ से रचिता को, डैरन को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, शादी की बहुत बहुत दुआएं।
Stay as you are, and I obviously wish them a lot of happiness and really cute babies because they look really nice together. So there was this one picture that I saw and I'm like, I can't wait for you to have your babies with Darren.
To infinity and beyond, because this is just the beginning of a fantastic a journey ahead.
If I had to say it as a warning, don't ever stop being best friends. Just stay the way you both are, and it's going to sail smoothly. Keep talking about things and just stay the way you both are. Being friends is the best gift you can have in a life partner.
Like, we have a lot to say always. And we always go overboard, but we love you guys.
We love you guys.
Always and forever.
Always and forever.
Totally Reda.
Inside my bones, it goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Stop the feeling. Yeah. So keep dancing.
Like, to Darren, I just want to say, like, thank you for, you know, loving me with all your heart always.
Rachita, I love you so much and cannot wait to start the rest of our lives together.